You've been at this thing for a while, 10, 15, 20 years in corporate America, and you're ready. You've been ready. I'm talking about the SOAR Women's Leadership Academy, and it's special. It's different from all the cookie cutter and one size fits all leadership cohorts. Cultural issues, leadership development, career advancement, and even issues in Generation X. That's right. It's all of the above. That commitment is even easier than you think. We meet once a month live. Then we meet on demand. It's hybrid, so you can self-pace for the rest of the month. But in between, you're going to get coaching that complements your training. Listen, there are other leadership development programs out there, but we want to make sure that we personalized it for you. Go on over to elmichellesmith.com/soar to see what we have in store on the syllabus for you. And we will have learning objectives that we are determined to meet by the end of the cohort. You'll meet other people just like you. You'll meet folks that are like-minded, and you'll be able to build community while you're at it. And also, you'll have accountability partners, and you'll have small groups. Only 25 leaders can join this cohort. This is your chance to soar anyway.